This is continuing on from the first video where I showed you how I reinforced the base of this shed. Connecting the four walls and then screwing them to the base was quite straightforward. I used decking screws with a Torx head in case you're interested. Working alone, I find it very helpful to clamp the corners together before driving in the screws. Another tip for working solo, I'm pulling the side panel towards me using a claw hammer with the screw driven partially into the wood. I had a cunning plan to attach the roof in two whole sections that could easily be removed in the future, and I started by adding these two extra battens. I decided to use CLS timber for the framing and could take some measurements for the final dimensions. I'd hoped to be able to screw these frames to the shed walls, but then I decided to use small brackets on the top edge. In 2 years since completing this job, I've had no issues with the roof lifting or being carried away in the wind. Then it was time to cut the Onduline panels, the most expensive purchase of this project. All in all, I spent about £100 on the materials for the new roof, including all the fixings. These corrugated sheets can be cut easily enough with a handsaw, and I was able to get two sections from one full length. If you look on the Onduline website, they can provide detailed instructions on how to fit these sheets. I'll put a link in the description as well. I attached these roof panels with longer decking screws, and I bought these plastic caps from a seller on eBay, which worked out much cheaper than buying the Onduline fixings. However, over time I found that the tops of these caps tend to open up and disappear, leaving the screw heads exposed and the possible risk of water ingress. And that was the job complete. Shed relocated and reinforced. I've only recently now sold this shed, which provided further inspiration towards finishing the videos. Thank you very much for watching. Happy New Year, and let's see what 2023 brings.